one of family member sick or died, she always show up.
Tate alingin hun peden hi.
She always make time for the kid.
Naset na chitak in ha kati.
At company, she works so hard to closer to co-worker.
Yang nalam ha kadin sabat ni azui apian mapekin anun sabat na kami.
Before support, before she even born, her mom don't give like a day or a week and then pray for her.
Asu akipan tu ni jang sabat ni nasen nom lohi.
Till she is born, she don't want to work in support day.
Thank you.
Yes. So they came without nothing to this country. They have a house, they have two jobs, they are doing well, they love Shabbat, and they give offering unto the Lord very much, and they are blessed. And today they are saying, you all can come for lunch with them. That's why I understand. I'm sure that's what they are saying, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yes, all can come to India Palace for lunch on 71st and Louis. Brother Boone and his wife will be the first there. Yes. So anybody who wants to come, please come. And it looks like they are going to pay for it. So India Palace will be blessed today. So we'll be a testimony for them. So
It's a buffet.
it's a buffet.
Yeah.
Yes, so please come
Anytime.
and enjoy the wonderful family from Burma. Wonderful. So Brother Boone, please come and pray for those who are giving tithes offering today. And also Brother Daniel, please, we'll make it next Saturday, next Shabbat, for testimony. Testimony.
Father God, we just thank you for the chance